Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Did you ever see a piano on a boat? We had a live concert in our harbor. People are moving on and leaving Porto Santo. Here is Muskin and Gitana leaving to go to Madeira, and later they are heading further south to the Canaries. It's good to wave them farewell.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sunny side up. Wij zijn twee vriendjes, jij en ik. Twee dikke vrienden, tot onze laatste snik. Hoeba, 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 hop, hop, hop.
We are normally making a cheesecake to celebrate someone's birthday. This time it's the birthday of Saskia from the Morning Glory.
Hippe de piep, hoera! Hippe de piep, hoera!
Oh, ik zal hem nog even aansteken. Wat leuk.
Hier,
Een verjaardagstaart. Een verjaardagstaart. Wat geweldig, jongens. Geen 70 kaartjes. Ja!
Yay!
Morning Glory is leaving the next day, so it's time to go to the bar for a farewell party.
Ik heb hier bitterballen.
Oh, van Jootje.
Yolanda made homemade bitterballen. What a treat. Something you normally only get in Holland. Morning Glory is leaving for the Azores.
Lief zijn.
Lief zijn voor elkaar. Ja. Oh ja, dat ook.
Doei.
Sparkling 2 is leaving for mainland Portugal.
Alex. Goeie reis. Lief zijn. There you go. Bye, Sparkling 2. Till the next time.
And Andiamo is leaving and going towards the Mediterranean.
And Alex!
Little sister.
Happy birthday to you. And many more. Hij doet het nog steeds.
Yeah, because I'm walking this way.
We also made a cheesecake for Femke's birthday.
I have to keep walking back, but this is not going to work.
It's working. It's working. I take it.
Blazen.
Yeah, I have to blazen.
Yep. Hey!
Yay!
Polaris also likes this island so much they bought a house. We had a housewarming party.
Thanks to Hans for scooter the whole island. Okay. Oh, it was full of lemons, but they all fell off. Yeah, there you go. Kaartje wil erbij.
Oh, alsjeblieft.
De eerste voor je tuin. En die instructies waren onderweg. Ja.
Yes.
Ja.
Die ene die hier buiten staat, die heeft er geen zin meer in.
En dan Caroline of something. Ja, of voor Bert-Jan, maar het is voor jullie samen. Voor Ingrid nog niet. For in the wine cooler, that does not work. Okay. Twee lekkere flesjes bij de meneer.
Ah, lief, dankjewel.
Van ons allemaal.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
And Yolanda made a nice big lasagna and a delicious vegetarian dish.
Looking good, Jootje.
But there's another one in the oven, so we have to eat a lot.
Another one?
Yes.
Ja.
Oké. Je wil niks.
Ik wil een
morgen.
Heerlijk.
Ja, Jolanda.
Dat snakken zijn goed.
Toppie.
Stoom staat gewoon in de microfoon.
Goed zo. Goed zo.
Althans de
En wat
eerste.
denk je van de weer?
Nou, bakken meestal.
Oh, Buk.
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Ta-da! Gonna put the cup on.
Ja.
The man.
Jorman from Zirconium was spearfishing, and we grilled fresh fish on the cob with Bas from the Polster, and had a lovely dinner at the Skellig.
Net ook Sofie ook. Ik heb echt al heel lang niet gezien.
En vis.
Fishy. Ziet er mooi uit.
Nou,
Fishy erbij.
Nou, ik schep gewoon een beetje sla op. Ziet er lekker uit. En dan is het ook gelijk gezellig zo erbij.
ja, gezellig.
Ja, gezellig.
Gezellig.
Nou, als je toch bezig
Wil
bent.
je al? Zie je nu, zag het toen niet. En dan weer.
We've got a live concert in the harbor. A special boat with a piano on board.
The sailboat Lady Flo came into Porto Santo. They gave a live concert in the harbor. The artist's name is Pianocean. There's a link in the corner and in the description for more music. And thanks to Jorman from Zirconium for the extra footage. We hope you enjoy this performance.
My name is Marek and I created Pianocean, sailing around the world with a piano on board. So basically, 10 years ago, we've cut a hole in the deck of that boat to allow the passage of the piano. And then we've invented a system to lift the piano up onto the deck for the concerts and to lower the piano into the back cabin when we're sailing. And I've been sailing and performing those past 10 years from France to Ireland to Scotland and across the polar circle in Norway, and then we sailed south to the Azores, and we just arrived in Madeira, and that's my first time in Madeira and my very first time in Porto Santo, and I'm so happy to be here. The next song is a song that I composed in the Azores because I discovered a new culture and a new word, which is saudade. Hello, it's me again. Do you remember? You know me well. Good to see you in a certain way. Good to feel you and know you well. So
is all that we ever can keep.
Muito obrigada. This was Piano Ocean. Thank you very much.
My soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Muito obrigada.
Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll.